Hi guys, I'm here to show you another lipstick hack. This is a lipstick from Lancome. It comes in a metal container like you can see. Now this lipstick, I've made it over. It had broken on me a while back because it's so skinny, and I just took it and melted it and poured it right back into the container, but for demonstration purposes, because I can fix it as well as you can, I'm going to break it again, purposely this time, and I will show you. This is a spoon that I have. It's a bigger spoon. It's not your little tablespoon. It's a bigger spoon. So what I'm going to do is I'm purposely going to break this so you can learn how you can make these over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoop out lipstick from the inside. You can see. Now when you go to make this lipstick, see, I pushed it all the way up right now. You want to retract it all the way in. I'm doing these videos in reverse because the lipstick needs to be heated up and it has to set up, so I'm doing the reverse. So this was already melted before and it was cooled off, and I just showed you the finished product. So now I'm going to show you how I got to the finished product. Now what I did was, when I started making or repairing lipsticks or creating my own lipsticks, what I did was I was using a candle and sitting here with the spoon and heating it up, which you can do as well. But if you're going to do that, I urge you highly to have water next to you. Use caution. In the event anything spills, you get burned, you'll have ice water next to you. Okay, so what I'm using for melting my lipstick, instead of the candle, is my heat tool. It's used for embossing and doing paper crafts. So what I'm doing is I'm going to melt this. It does tend to melt quickly. As you can see, it's coming together. So I love this lipstick. Problem was, it broke. So the reason I'm making these videos is because I know a lot of women out there, we have lipsticks that we love and they break. But I'm showing you ways you could fix it. Excuse me. You see how quick that's melting. I'm using a bigger spoon, means I'm not spilling out of the spoon like I did in my other video, my first one. Now this is a hot tool, so you gotta have a surface that's secure and safe. Alright, now like I said before, I retracted the cylinder all the way, and I'm going to pour this in. Hopefully I'll get it all in without spilling any of it. Now because it is on an angle, I'm going to hold it like that for a little bit till it sets up. And that's how you get back your broken lipsticks to being fixed. Now this just has to set up and it'll be done. Now that's gonna need a little bit more lipstick to go all the way to the top. So what I'll do is after it sets up and it gets hard, I'll just come along and go like this and make it nice and even. But for now, I'm just holding it sideways till it sets up. And if I can get more out. It's starting to go in. If that happens to you, and you have little lipsticks, or any other lipsticks you want, you can just put more in there. I'm just looking to see if I have another like color that I can put in there. Doesn't really matter. But you saw the finished product, how it's supposed to come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more lipstick and finish it off. It doesn't matter if it's the same color. At the end of the day, these are all colors that you liked. And you'll be happy to use them again. Alrighty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to fill the rest of that. Whoops. That did it. I'm not going to throw this spoon of lipstick away because I'll just use it for another lipstick. It'll set up, I'll remelt it. So here you could see it filled up to the top. I can't show it to you sideways because it's still soft. Alright guys, I hope you've liked this idea and you start saving your lipsticks and repurposing them again. And you don't have to throw them away. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave me questions and comments.